welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share my secret MT4 indicator strategy. I use this indicator for myself, and it's giving me amazing results. Today, I'll teach you how to trade on pocket option using my secret arrow indicator step by step. I'll show you how I analyze signals and decide when to enter or exit trades so you can trade more confidently. You can also check my trade history. I've been consistently getting profitable trades, and the indicator has helped me achieve amazing accuracy over time. And you can see my real account. I share my trades to show how I use this strategy in real conditions. How to find signal of this arrow indicator. Guys, when the arrow appears at the top, the market goes down for the next 5 minutes. And when the arrow appears at the bottom, the market goes up for the next 5 minutes. So let's find a signal and take a live trade. Guys, trading is not about luck, it's about discipline, strategy, and timing. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a simple but powerful arrow indicator to take high probability trades. Stay focused, because one signal can change the whole game. Alright guys, we just got a clean sell signal. The arrow has appeared at the top, indicating the market is getting ready for a downside move. So I'm entering a 5-minute lower trade right now. Let's see how it performs. Okay guys, I've taken a 5-minute lower entry here. Stay focused, let's see how this trade ends. Guys, now the trade is running, and this is the moment where most traders panic. But winners don't panic, winners trust their analysis. Remember, every candle is just data, and every move is just part of the strategy. If you've done your homework, if your signal is clear, then confidence becomes your strongest weapon. Trading is not about predicting the future, it's about reacting to the market with discipline. So stay calm, stay focused, and let the chart do its job. This is where traders are made, not by luck, but by patience and mindset. So wait for the result.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. I see our purpose still together.
Yes guys, we absolutely crushed this trade. This is the real strength of my secret indicator. I use it personally because it delivers power and precision. If you want this indicator, you can join my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. Now let's jump right back in and hunt for another perfect signal. Yes guys, the up signal is here. Bottom arrow just hit, and the market is gearing up for a strong upward move. I'm taking a 5-minute higher entry, let's do this. This is the true test, not of luck, but of mindset. The arrow gave us the signal, the strategy gave us the edge, and now it's time for patience to do its magic. This is how winners are made, calm, focused, and disciplined.
Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. I see our purpose still together. I feel everything free.
says, it's the time